Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will be working on this beautiful looking pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies sweater, cardigan, baby sweater, baby's blanket and ladies shawl as well. See, this is the way it looks like. This is the pattern. Wrong side it looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is 16 rows repeat pattern and you need to cast in multiples of 9 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 9 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 20 stitches on my needle, which is 9 plus 9 18 and 2 edge stitch 20. So row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch. Knit your edge stitch and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn over SSK. SSK means slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK and then knit 5. 1 sorry 2 3 4 5, knit 5, knit 2 together. That's the repeat. Sorry, that's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done yarn over SSK, knit 5, sorry knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5 and then knit 2 together. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Yarn over SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK and then knit 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, knit 5 and then knit 2 together. And we have done sorry, we have done our two repeats and we have finished our all repeats. And your last edge stitch, before edge stitch you will do yarn over like so, right? Yarn over and then knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, yarn over SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, yarn over SSK and then knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, knit 2 together and yarn over. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, yarn over SSK, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 2 together, yarn over. Repeat that again. Knit 1, yarn over SSK, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3 and then knit 2 together, yarn over. So we have done our all repeats and your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5. For row 5, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, yarn over 2 times, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2, and then SSK, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice, knit these 2 together through the back loop. SSK and knit 1, knit together, knit 1, knit 2 together, and then yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern, we have done knit 1, yarn over 2 times, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 1, yarn over 2 times, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2, and then SSK, knit 1 and knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1 and yarn over, and your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7. For row 7, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, and then SSK, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice, knit these 2 together through the back loop, SSK, and then knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, SSK, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the repeat pattern. Again, repeat that again. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, SSK, knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 8, purl all stitches. Row 9, your edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, and then knit together, yarn over, SSK, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice, knit these 2 together through the back loop, SSK and knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, yarn over, SSK, knit 2. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, yarn over, SSK, knit 2, 1, 2, and a last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 10, for row 10 purl all stitches. Row 11, edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK and knit 2, knit 1. That's the repeat. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 1. Again, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK, knit 1. Last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 12, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 13, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here, knit 1, knit 2 together, and then yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, SSK. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, knit 2 together, and yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 3, and then yarn over, SSK. Again, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 3, and then yarn over, SSK. And last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 14, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 15, your edge stitch, slip. Before you start the repeat, first knit 2 together, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Knit 7, SSK, knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done knits from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done knit 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and SSK, knit 1, and 2 4 6 7 SSK, and after you finish, we don't have enough stitches for another repeat. You will repeat this repeat pattern, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 2 4 6 8 10 stitch, knit 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 SSK and edge stitch knit. Row 16, purl all stitches. Last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 16 rows, row 1 to row 16, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.